Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a moment to settle into a peaceful state of mind. Take a few deep cleansing breaths, inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly. Allow your body to relax and release any tension with each breath. Prepare yourself for a deep cleansing with the assistance of angels of light. Visualize a radiant blue light surrounding you. This is the protective energy of Archangel Michael. Call upon Archangel Michael and feel his powerful presence beside you. In this sacred space, ask him for help in clearing any fear or low energies that may have attached themselves to your being. Imagine a brilliant vacuum cleaner of light descending upon you, swiftly and gently removing these energies. See them being drawn away, leaving you feeling lighter, refreshed, and free from fear. Now, envision Archangel Michael standing before you, holding his sword of light. Invite him to cut any negativity ties or cords that may be draining your energy and well-being. As you make this request, see the sword of light swiftly and gracefully slicing through these cords, severing any connections that no longer serve your highest good. Feel the cords falling away. Ask Archangel Michael to identify and encapsulate any negative entities present in your energy field. See them being drawn into the grid of light, where the angels are ready to carry them away. Picture a radiant golden sieve of light passing gently through your entire energy field. This golden sieve serves as an instrument of purification, sifting out and removing all unneeded alien energies that no longer belong to you. As you observe this process, sense your energy field becoming lighter, clearer, and more harmonious. Ask the angels of light to fill the spaces left empty in your energy field with radiant light. Visualize this light as golden, purple, or white, pouring into your being to replace the energies that were removed. Feel this light bathing you in pure healing illumination, bringing a sense of peace and renewal. Now call upon Archangel Raziel. Ask him to join you and state aloud, I break any contracts or promises that no longer serve my highest good. I release them with love and gratitude. Feel and visualize the contracts dissolving into pure radiant light, setting free from any obligations that no longer align with your true path. Now express your intention and request. Divine Creator, the forces of light, please find through all times, spaces and dimensions all parts of my soul that may have fragmented. Heal them in pure light and integrate them back into my soul now. Thank you. Visualize these soul fragments returning to you, making you feel whole, complete, and deeply connected to your inner divine. Lastly, ask for and visualize a protective cover of golden, purple, or white light surrounding you. This shield acts as a powerful guardian, keeping you safe, harmonized, and surrounded by divine protection. Take a few moments to bask in the profound sense of purification, renewal, and protection. Feel the loving energy of the angels surrounding you, knowing that you are safeguarded. When you are ready, take a deep breath and gently open your eyes. You can return to this meditation whenever you need to clear your energy.